problems with the reservation system with Disney this morning, and things that we didn't think about multiple reservations, stick around to the end to find out all of the tips. What's up, everybody? It's Nick from Who Dat Travel, and I'm not gonna lie, I am extremely excited because I did get through on the Disney reservation for your tickets, and I am confirmed to be there on the day it opens. But let's go through and how to actually get to the reservations. Now, everybody is seeing this castle, which we love the castle, but just not right now. This is their screen that is showing that you are in a virtual queue. Hey, to be honest, what is it without Disney being in a queue? But right now, what I got right after that, after waiting about 2 hours, is my log on. So I went ahead and logged on, and after a long wait, you gotta think, I'm an IT guy, their servers are being inundated. Was it poor planning that they did an entire year plus up front? Yes, yeah, it was. But after you get the log on, which we'll go ahead and fast forward this a little bit so you can see. After you sign in, you're going to be able to come to this page and click on the reservation tab, and then you get into another line. Yeah, it's Disney. There's lines everywhere. So what you're going to do here is go ahead and wait for this countdown. Mine actually went twice. Yeah, there's lines everywhere. So we'll go ahead and speed this up so you can see what happens next. So after this countdown went twice, I did get my create your party. Again, all of your stuff has to be in My Disney Experience. So you've got your party. Now, I didn't check my 1-year-old because he doesn't have a park pass and he doesn't need one. After checking my wife and myself, I went ahead and selected the dates that I'm going to be there, which I get to be there on day 1. July 11th, I chose Magic Kingdom, and then you have to select your time. You confirm, and then you click select, and you get this glorious page that says that congratulations, you have a park reservation. Now what you're going to do is go through and do these for the remaining days. So I chose the 12th because we're going to be there just over a week. Again, you're going to select what park. So next I want to go to Animal Kingdom. Again, you have to select the time. You're confirming. Now I got a little rambunctious and didn't check the box, and then hit your finished, and again you get a confirmation. So I went ahead and did this for the remainder of my trip, and we'll fast forward here to kind of show all of the selections here. It is a labor intensive because you got to go through every day and choose which park. I kind of forgot where I was at some points in your days because, well, I was really excited to be able to see all of this. And so on the end, we'll show you what happens when we get to the end here, and you can actually go back and look at all of your reservations to make sure that you have everything correct. Now, after you've gone through and selected all of the times that you want your ticket reservations, you can go to your plans and tickets, and you can actually verify all of the times and days and make sure that it is what you want. As you scroll down, you can see here that we've got our hotel reservations. Now, I am an annual pass holder, so I already have my ticket linked, but as you can see, it shows a picture and your reservation in each one of the days that I have gone through and made a reservation for. So really, that's it for making reservations. However, we did come upon a kind of a tricky thing. I have another reservation for later in the year. So I went ahead and tried to make that reservation and found out that you are only able to do one reservation at a time. Even if you're staying on property, you then get this message that says you've exceeded your reservation limit. So that is a giant thing to know if you are planning on going multiple times this year. You can only get your reservations for one at a time. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope that this helps you in this brand new reservation system. I'm sure Disney will iron out these kinks and it'll become much easier, but there is your step-by-step guide of how to get your reservations. Thanks, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And everyone, please have a magical day. We'll see you real soon. Thanks.